Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your browsing history in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the view menu. And here at the top we find the browsing history and followed providers. If we tap on browsing history, we will have a few highlights, the latest things that we were looking at. And then if we tap on see all, we can view everything that we have viewed in the app so far. And for example, if we found a cool thing, a cool jacket, some gadget that we especially liked, we can track it back in the browsing history to make sure that we are able to purchase it later. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.